Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 29th, 2020. Yes, the last Sudoku, a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And this one will be number 1, 4, 3. So let's get started. And the first question, do we see here a single box? I see here a single box. The single box is always a 1. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. It's surround the 1, so cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Triple box, 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 3 are filled in, so one box left for the 2. These two boxes cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area. The 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Then these two boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be here. Two boxes left, the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. One box left in this triple box should be the 2. Then. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 boxes left in this area. The 2 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 1 and a 4. We have a 4 and a 1 here, so the 1 and the 4 goes there. Let me mark them, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means the other two boxes are left for the 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. If this box is a 4, that means these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4 also. So I need a 4 in one of those 5 boxes. So this cannot be a 4. This should be a 1. This should be a 4. We have a 1 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. 2 boxes of here, or 2 boxes here cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 4, but we see here 4 already, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 4 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 4 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. Yeah. The 3 cannot be here. The 3 goes there. How about the 5? Did I make the mistake here? 1, 2. We have a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 1 box left should be the 3. This box cannot be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 4. 1 and a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So these 2 boxes are reserved for the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes here or there in these 2 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 4 and the 3 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright, this is one of the quickest tectonic I've made. I like this one. This Suguru in Japanese, a.k.a. Suguru. If you like this one, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you on a Monday. Have a great weekend. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Bye bye. Bye bye all.